Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook Tournedos steak. These delightful cuts are essentially small, thick portions of beef tenderloin, usually about 2 to 3 inches across. To start, it's crucial to pat your steaks completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that beautiful, crispy sear we all love. Then, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's talk about achieving that perfect sear. You'll want to heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like a cast iron pan, over medium-high heat until it's incredibly hot. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your Tournedos in the hot oil and sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This quick, intense heat will create a beautiful, rich brown crust, lacking in all those wonderful juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter, along with some crushed garlic and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously baste the steaks for another 2 to 3 minutes, spooning that flavorful melted butter over them. Once cooked to your desired doneness, remove the Tournedos from the pan and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital for juicy, tender results. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked Tournedos. These elegant steaks pair wonderfully with a rich sauce, perhaps a classic red wine reduction or a creamy béarnaise. For sides, consider something simple yet delicious, like roasted asparagus or creamy mashed potatoes. If you're aiming for a medium-rare doneness, look for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy every exquisite bite of your homemade Tournedos steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.